In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Outlook when it's not responding on Windows 11. When Outlook freezes or shows not responding, the goal is to stop stuck processes and repair the app's core files. We'll start with a quick restart using Task Manager, then move to repairing Office. Follow each step carefully and allow time for completion. First, close and restart Outlook via Task Manager. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, locate Microsoft Outlook. If listed, select it and click End Task. This force closes Outlook and any background processes that may keep it locked. Some instances run invisibly after a crash. After ending the process, close Task Manager and reopen Outlook from the Start menu or taskbar. If it opens normally and responds, the issue is resolved. If it still hangs, proceed to repair. Next, repair your Office installation. Outlook is part of Microsoft 365, so repairing the suite fixes Outlook too. Open Settings, go to Apps or Apps Features, find Microsoft 365 or Outlook for Windows, click the three dots, and choose Modify. Select Quick Repair first. Quick Repair runs locally, is fast, and doesn't need internet. Follow prompts and let it finish, then relaunch Outlook. This often fixes minor file issues or glitches from updates. If Quick Repair doesn't help, perform an online repair for a deeper fix. Return to Modify, choose Online Repair, and follow prompts. Online Repair downloads fresh copies of necessary files, replaces damaged components, and takes longer. Ensure a stable internet connection and avoid interruptions. The window may close and reopen during the process. Once complete, open Outlook again. This usually resolves persistent, not responding, issues caused by corrupted files or incomplete updates. Take your time with each step, allow repairs to finish fully, and relaunch Outlook afterward.